एस दिसपा जायना की आमी ऑपोजिशन ऑफ काँग्रेस लायफ सेविंगाचेर ओपोज आहाय म्हूण. These figures what I said is no as दिसपा जायना. People should don't see that opposition. No. कित्याक सांग तुका हांव? Because you are talking about the figures. These figures to get departmentan साथ दिवपा जाले. If it is from the police station, drowning of well, it shouldn't be figured because we had asked a specific questions from district district बांयतू तू काडपा येयले. Speaker sir, local newspapers publish and says that district life saving claims 100 of lives has been saved. 100 of lost children are reunited with the parents. In order to verify these tall claims, Speaker sir, we have asked for a total number of rescue operations and the total rescue operations and reunion of children. The reply was given सारख्या 1050 of rescue, 356 of missing children. आणि एक मुगे स्टार क्वेश्चनाक हांवें होम डिपार्टमेंटाक विचारलें because I'm coming to that point. Home Department says that there is no case registered of drowning operations on various beaches and on the police and they have a separate thing of Sir, my specific question, who are the witnesses who signed this register and how their identity and credibility is verified by the tourism department and why the tourist wardens have not signed on that report?
Specifically, Speaker sir, jenna drowning case jata, whether it is body retrieval, dariya कडल्यान आयली body, नाल्यार थंय drowning जाली. First, immediately, पहिली Drishti is the agency which takes care of this particular thing with their equipments. ताज्या मागीर Speaker sir, police are called, आमचो टुरिस्ट वॉर्डन आसता आनी थंय आसपी जेन्ना खंयच्याय बिचार Speaker sir, आमचे ट्रेडिशनल गोंयकार फिशरमॅन जावं बाकीचे वॉटर स्पोर्ट्सवाले जावं कोण नाल्यार कोण त्या लायनीन आसतात, दे आर अ पार्ट ऑफ द विटनेसीस टू एन्श्युअर दॅट कोण ड्रावनींग कोणाक सेफ्टी फॉर द ड्रावनींग न्हय सेफ सुद्दां केलो जाल्यार तांची सिग्नेचर घेता ऑन दीस पंचनामा. तुका समज खंय दिश्टी पडला की ह्या लोकांची सायन नाशिल्ली आमच्या वॉर्डनाची सायन नाशिल्ली आमच्या नजरेक हाडात. इंटेंट इज व्हेरी क्लियर. आय एप्रिशिएट वॉट एल्टन हॅज सेड. We are not here to argue and say दृष्टी जाय दृष्टी नाका. लायफ गार्डिंग जाय ती कोणीय एजन्सी आसूं नी आनी ती आमकां सांबाळपाकूच जाय. पयर वॉटरफॉलारूय आमकां सेम इश्यू आशिल्लो बाब विश्वजीत राणेन जेन्ना पळयला तेन्ना. सो आय थिंक वी नीड टू बी मोर कॉन्शियस अबाउट टुरिजम इन गोवा. आय एप्रिशिएट वॉट एल्टन इज टॉकिंग अबाउट एंड वॉट एवर तुका दिसता तुटी आसा प्लीज सजेस्ट. वी आर हियर टू टेक गुड सजेशन्स.
कालू तरेरा जॉइंट हा क्वेश्चन जॉइंट एक एका प्रश्नाचेर कितलो वेळ जॉइंट
स्पेसिफिक केस जाल्ली. आय एम टॉकिंग काप देरांक तेगेल्या तेगे कोणे दादल्यान तेगे ओगले गर्लफ्रेंडाक मान उडयल्लें. Kap Deram, there was, I'm talking about a specific case.
Because tourism department of police.
How to kita sangta because the proper procedure has been to be followed to get home.
Speaker.
Sir, I would request Elton Bab share that thing.
So whatever
district
will find a home department should be taken into confidence.
Copy.
तुम्ही पळयतात GNH.